Do you know about the fabric which is the challenger to coronavirus or COVID-19? To know more, watch this video till end. Hello, this is your friend Tushar from Charu Creation Private Limited, a fabric company at Nehru Place, New Delhi. The whole of human race is in crisis because of coronavirus disease, also called COVID-19. People are catching COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease is spreading from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. These droplets land on objects and surfaces around the person. Other person then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose or mouth. People are also catching COVID-19 by breathing in droplets from a person with COVID-19 who coughs out or exhales droplets. COVID-19 has infected more than 1.4 million people with 1 lakh plus deaths in 200 plus countries. Governments around the world have been left with no other option but to enforce lockdowns and social distancing. The global economy is expected to shrink around 1% due to COVID-19 pandemic. More than 25 million jobs could be lost. Without a vaccine, the only solution left is to break the chain of virus transmission. Medical personal protection equipments have been at the forefront of arresting the transmission of the virus. The polypropylene fabric is playing a very important role in the manufacturing of personal protection equipments, also called PPEs. These PPEs are masks, both triple layer medical mask and N-95 respirator mask, medical coverall or gowns, head cover and shoe cover. Polypropylene fabric is a term used to describe any textile product that is derived from the thermoplastic polymer polypropylene. This type of plastic is part of the polyolefin group and it is non-polar and partially crystalline. Next to polyethylene, polypropylene is the second most commonly produced plastic in the world. Polypropylene fabric is a non-woven textile, which means that it is made directly from a material without any need for spinning or weaving. The main characteristics of polypropylene as a fabric are its high breathability and microporous nature. High breathability allows air to pass, but the microporous nature arrests the transmission of microbes. Further, this fabric is waterproof and has moisture transfer abilities. This textile cannot absorb any moisture and instead moisture passes through polypropylene fabric entirely. This attribute allows moisture that is excluded while wearing a polypropylene garment to evaporate much more quickly than it would with a moisture retaining garment. All these characteristics make it a very suitable fabric for making important medical PPEs. Countries around the world are acquiring medical PPEs on war scale. Such is the rush for medical PPEs that it is bringing countries to a flashpoint. In the new situation of COVID-19 pandemic attack, we have arranged the availability of polypropylene fabric for the PPE manufacturers. To know more, contact us at +91 99 711 06200 or simply visit us at charu.org.in. Thank you.